This is Stacy's story about plantar fasciitis. If you have this condition, you might want to hear her story.
My name is Stacy Woodall, and I was diagnosed with plantar fasciitis. I've had plantar fasciitis for about 5 or 6 years. I've had probably an injection at least once a year for this, and have still had a lot of pain, excruciating pain. The pain that I had did affect my life and my walking. It was hard to think that I had to get up on my feet and take steps, not just in the mornings, but any time. My feet hurt even when I was sitting. There was sharp throbbing pains, and I had just gotten to the end of my rope. The cortisone shots, they lasted maybe a week or two, if they even helped, and they were very painful to get.
So at one time you had a boot as well. When did you have the boot?
I had the boot about 2 years ago, and I wore the boot for approximately 2.5 to 3 months, and the boot became a problem because it didn't help my foot, but it threw the rest of my body off, and I had pains in other parts of my body because I was having to compensate for the boot.
Exactly. Medication, they put you on any other medication besides that?
I didn't take any medication with that pain. They just wanted to continue giving cortisone shots, which aren't good for your feet because they weaken that tendon.
Right. They also mentioned to you that you also, not just the fact that you had plantar fasciitis, there's another problem you had that caused this to keep coming. What was the other problem they told you?
They kept telling me that the plantar fasciitis was caused by weight, and that if I would lose the weight, then my plantar fasciitis would get better.
Right. Okay, so you came here to Winter Wellness Center. Why?
I came to Winter Wellness Center because I was at the end of my rope, and I knew that the cortisone shots, the medicines, the boots weren't working, and I needed to try something that was very different and that I thought would work.
And how long did it take before it started working?
I saw results within the first 2 sessions, and then it has continued to improve since then.
Good. So when you first came in, on a scale of 1 to 10, how strong was the pain then and how strong is it now?
When I first came in, the pain was a constant 10. Now the pain is anywhere from a 2 to 3, and it's not a constant pain.
Good. So we've actually seen you, this is actually the 11th visit with you. So in those 11 visits, what kind of change have you had in your life in 11 visits?
I have more energy. I'm sleeping better. I don't feel that I have to really think about standing up on my feet. I get up and walk. The pain is not inhibiting my everyday life. I still have just a little bit of pain, but it's going away also.
Good. Now, you didn't lose any weight, did you?
No, I've not lost any.
And I shouldn't ask a woman that question, but at the same time, you realize it wasn't a weight problem anymore.
No, it wasn't a weight problem.
Help me. So, anyway, I shouldn't even say that, but so you want to say about like how you were thinking, how you were feeling?
Before I came, I was probably in a little bit of a state of depression because of the pain. I couldn't do things with my daughter that I normally did because I was in a lot of pain. I just didn't have a lot of hope in anything working, and I've been very pleased with the results.
Good. If Tracy can get results, so can you. Call Dr. Winter at 770-536-6600.